Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. Feels like I only just spoke to you. But that's because I did a video about an hour ago. I would have done this one sooner, but Mike and Gemma and Tyler arrived and sat in the garden for a while and chatted. So that was nice to see them, unexpected. So, guess what I've done? I might have been naughty. I've ordered my LoveCrafts, which I'm going to show you. I ordered from Deramores because they sent me a £10 off voucher, and you can't really, you can't pass that up, can you really? So then we went to Aldi, and I wasn't that impressed with Aldi when I saw the yarn the first time, but it was really the branch of Aldi that I happened to be in at the time. The yarn they had was a bit... But today I went to Aldi and they had lots. So I may have gone a bit mad. And I have no room for this little lovely. So heaven knows what I'm going to do with all the rest. So this is a pretty big bag. So I'll call this my LoveCrafts unboxing, because this is a box for the purposes of this video, and my countertop isn't big enough to put it on there without it hanging off. So I'm moving my tea out of the way, and hopefully if I just break into this corner it won't all fall on the floor. Got my scissors at the ready, and here we go. So exciting! It's exciting. It really is. So I have not ordered from LoveCrafts for a very long time, and I just had this real funny flashback of watching Jaws when they were getting stuff out of the shark to see if it was the one that had ate people or not. As I lifted that out, it just... I hope I don't pull any people out. It would be a bit yuck, wouldn't it? Anyway, where did that come from? Who knows? Heaven knows. Anyway, yeah, I ordered from LoveCrafts. Probably the first time I tried an online order was from these guys. And from that moment on, I've been ordering from different companies and reviewing it. So I haven't ordered from these since the pandemic began. So this is kind of like pretty decent, to be fair, because it's been, I'd say, about 4 days. I ordered this and 4 days later the package arrived. That's pretty good. And okay, it's probably worse ordering anything online right in the heart of the year when we were, lockdowns galore, and it's been hard to come by. So, well, this is pretty impressive though, I have to say. I am quite impressed that they've delivered it this quick. So the first thing I pulled out my little package, which I keep keeping tantalizingly out of your view, is something that's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just opening it because there's nowhere in to the little polythene bag. I have to cut it. Wow, look at this. This is Lime Brown Landscapes, and look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Now I've got the Red Heart Unforgettable, which kind of reminds me in a way of this, but this is definitely thicker. Oh, that is just so nice. Now, the fact that their yarn band's a bit dark, this is called Volcano, this colour. Volcano. Isn't it lovely though? I can't tell you, this is so soft, and I'm beginning to already feel a bit, like I should have got more of this. There's 3 here. I don't know if 3 was all that I ordered, but I'm already regretting the fact that there may just be 3 of these. It's so nice. So Volcano, then, it's upside down as usual. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't upside down. Now it's, oh, goodness gracious. No, that's just telling me what that is. That's their address. Keep turning the band. So here we go. 3.5 ounces, which is 100 grams. Sorry if I'm blinding you with my light. 147 yards or 134 meters. Maybe I'll switch this one off and just blind you with one. 100% acrylic. It is beautiful, isn't it? Honestly, that's astounding. I love that. And it is definitely, I'd say that's a 4. Would you not? 4 weight. Is there anything on here? Upside down. Of course it is. Yes, 4 weight. Good guess. But that feels absolutely lovely. Oh, I'm going to enjoy working with that. But in a way, I'm hoping that I've ordered more than 3. We shall see. Next in the belly of the shark, an organza bag with loads in it. Oh my. So, put that one over there. It's another organza bag with loads in it. Heavens to Betsy. And if I just take these bags out first off. Is that it? I don't know. Let's just concentrate on these two. Good grief. Wow. So now we've got some red heart. And I did order a few different red hearts. Now this is soft baby steps. And it's really lovely and soft. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if that pattern there is on the yarn band. Was there one on here? Could be a yarn band pattern. I've never made one. If you've ever made a yarn band pattern, tell me. Put it in the comments, because I never ever have. But I do like to see them on there. Isn't that weird? And you feel like you're getting something free, but I've never made one yet, so it's a bit weird. 100 grams, which is 164 meters. And I reckon this is called something imaginatively like white. Oh yes, colour is white. And what else am I seeing everywhere? Just trying to find the little symbols. 4 weight. So that's lovely. And I've got 2 in the white. There may be more actually. There probably is. I want somewhere to put it. Down there. Well, no, let's not put it down there yet. Let's get the rest out first. I'm going to sneeze. I do apologise. Hopefully just the once. They normally come in 3s, those sneezes, I've noticed. So I've got 3 white ones. I think I had something in mind when I ordered these. I'm going to put them up there actually. And then there is 1 lemon one here, but I think in this other organza bag there is more yellow. But that's the same, soft baby steps. All the same, 164 meters. And it's called... no number, no, it's just 00002, but no, it doesn't say yellow on it, which so that's a lovely lemon colour though, and I've got a feeling I've got 3 of those as well. Let's have this one open. There's another yellow. They've mixed them all up. There's another yellow one and the 3rd yellow, so that's 3 white and 3 yellow. Nice sheen on that though, have you noticed? I don't know if you've ever used this. It's so soft. That is just lovely and soft. Beautiful and soft. That's what I like to see. So then I did get another 3 in this lovely blue. Oh, look at that sheen. Isn't that is just so lovely. I guess, you know, I buy a lot of cheap yarns. And I always say that they're great quality. There's nothing wrong with them or anything, but when you look at this, you can just see, can't you, that it's a little bit more special. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So come on then, we've got number. Oh, this one's called light blue. 00007 light blue. Obviously, yellow hasn't got a name, but we know what it is. And then I've got 3 pink. Excuse me. And now I've got a runny nose. Now I've been sneezing. So 3 in this lovely pink. Again, lovely sheen to that pink. All the dimensions and everything exactly the same. And this one is called light pink. So that's lemon, light blue, light pink. Although it's not called lemon, it's just called nothing. And then I didn't stop there. I ordered the same in green, like a minty green. So oh, that is just so silky looking, isn't it? Just has a lovely shine to it. Going to really find it hard to get my last lot out. So that's all the Red Heart soft baby steps. And I've never really, apart from the Unforgettable, I've never had any Red Heart. So it was just really nice to see it and to give it a try. So what else did I get? Let's see. Maggie Knit. Maggie Knit. Baby DK by James C. Brett. Maggie Knit. Magic Knit. Oh, I don't know. Maggie Knit. See, I suppose it's magic if you say that, but it's knit. Anyway, I got a bit bogged down with that. I do apologise. So this is all the colours in a ball. And it's lovely and soft. Baby DK. And this is 90% acrylic, but 10% nylon. It's weird, really, because I always think of acrylic as a nylon blend, so weirdly. So that's 300 metres in there. It's not bad. And this is called shade Y202. Again, one of those imaginative titles, but I got 1, 2, 3 of those. I seem to have been doing everything in threes. Why, I don't know. But they're quite stuffed, those balls. There's quite a lot on there. 300 metres, that's a lot on one ball. You can feel just how much is in this ball. But I like that. That's kind of pretty. It's got all different colours in. So that's Magic Knit or Maggie Knit. I'm going to get bogged down with that one. Don't quote me on it. Don't quote me. So inside, we've got all this. So let's see, what did we buy? What did we... Oh, it doesn't have any prices on it, though. Just tells me what they are. No prices on there. I also have a 10% off discount code for next time. So I should keep that safe up there for now. I thought there was something thicker than that. Got one more bit at the bottom. This feels rather sturdy. Right, so that's empty. Let's get rid of that. Wow. So I've got one more organza bag, and in there I've got this really cute colour Kobu. I only got the one because I'm building up a little supply of Kobu. I've got some in storage somewhere out there, and I don't... Oh, it's so soft. And I don't really know at this precise moment where they are, but I've got a couple up here, and I'm just getting lots of different colours. But isn't that lovely? It's a beautiful lilac. Really nice. So this is Lime Brand Kobu, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 232 yards or 212 metres, 51% cotton, 49% rayon from bamboo. 3 weight, so that's a DK over here in the UK, and it's lilac, which I said is a beautiful lilac colour. But that is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. There's one more yarn to show you from this particular yarn haul, and it's a hefty one. This paint box, and I thought I bought more than one of these, but obviously not. It is this, wow, size of it. So it's really heavy, tightly wound on there. So this is recycled t-shirt yarn. Intrigued me, wanted to give it a try. So it's really hard to see the band. It reminds me of the Poundland bands in this kind of, I guess it's following on the recycled thing. So yeah, we've got 800 grams, which is 120 meters, 90% cotton and 10% synthetic. The rest of the yarn band is so faded that I can't really see that. But it's classed as a 6 weight, which is super bulky in the US or super chunky over here. But yeah, that's I thought I'd got grey as well, but maybe not. I don't know, maybe it was out of stock, or perhaps I took it out. But I was so intrigued by this that I wanted to get some. I have got some grey t-shirt yarn, and I wanted to make some baskets. So they're going to be a bit of a fuchsia pink and grey. Those are the, I don't think there's any colour on here. It's, oh, hang on. Bold pink. And there is a number, 015. But I've got a feeling that this was on special offer, this recycled t-shirt yarn. So that's my order. Yes, let's see. Red Heart, Lion Brand, James C. Brett. It's not listed. Paint Box Yarns, recycled t-shirt, bold pink. There we go. I wish they'd put the prices on this, because then you jog your memory as to what they were. For me to tell you, I'd have to go back and look at the order. But I'm quite excited about this. Isn't that beautiful? Most of the baby yarns that I've got are all 3-weight. But look at that. That is just such a lovely sheen on that yarn. It's beautiful. And I've never ever used Red Heart Soft Baby Steps or any other, apart from a little bit of Red Heart Unforgettable. That's all I've used. And I really want to get my hands on this now. It's just, I love the way they wind these. Wouldn't it be great if they all wound their yarn like this and you could fit so much more on the shelf? Wouldn't it be fantastic? So that's it. I hope you liked what I got, and I'm looking forward to using this baby yarn a lot. And wherever I put it, I don't know, on the floor. It's a freshly hoovered floor, so this one, it's kind of pretty. I like that. Don't know what I had in mind when I was buying this, but I'll find a use for it. So there. Isn't that lovely stuff? I'm really pleased. This actually makes me feel a lot better. You know, I've been under the weather. And then when you unwrap a package full of this loveliness, what am I missing? Blue. Isn't that just gorgeous? So stunning. I love this blue. This is one of the loveliest yarns I've had in a long time, blue-wise. That's just blue-wise. But you know, I'm a bit of a sucker for blue. I just love that shine. Just need some patterns now. Pluck out of my head. I very rarely make patterns. I just think them up. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you like what I bought, and pretty soon I'll have more to show you. And what I got from Aldi and Deramores. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.